Everybody, the previous class I told you that we should go to the rudiment of questions like this, the basis, the beginning. We have seen a lot of shortcuts, but let's go to where it started from. Now you have 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 raised to the power of y is equals to 2. Please don't scroll, follow us systematically, and you'll be able to solve it on your own. Those of us that want to write SAT, just familiarize yourself with the pattern, and on your own you'll be able to solve some of these questions. So here you have this is equals to 32. This is your left hand side, while this is your right hand side. Now, what's the first thing to do? Look at your right hand side. Here you have 32 in your right hand side. Please listen to this explanation. Since on the right hand side we have 32, 32 is a positive number. That is greater than 0. It means 2 raised to the power of x is greater than 2 raised to the power of y. That's the meaning. Now, if 2 raised to the power of x is greater than 2 raised to the power of y, it means y is also greater than, x is also greater than y. So what are we now saying? Just rewrite, that's the first thing you're going to do, x as y plus k. Now, just follow this method and you will thank me later. X is equals to y plus k. Are you following? So substitute for x in the equation. That is here. Substitute for x. Anywhere you come across s, plug in this value. Is equals to 32. You still remember this? So express this in form of this. 2 raised to the power of y multiplied by 2 raised to the power of k minus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 32. Sure, you remember that we can factor out something here. Just look at this is common to this term, this is common to this term. So factor out 2 raised to the power of 1. So after we must have done that, this is what we are going to get. Now, this left hand side is okay. Your attention should be shifted to the right hand side now. So what's the prime factor of 32? 16, 8, 4, 2, 2, 1. So what's the meaning of that? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 into 5 places. So you have 2 raised to the power of y here. 2 raised to the power of k minus 1. This one, instead of writing 32, write 2 raised to the power of 5. Now, here you are going to get two values. 2 raised to the power of y is equals to 2 raised to the power of 5. Then the second equation here will be is equals to 1. Some will ask, how did I get my 1? This is a magic. Yes, you still remember your HCF. You know, sometimes in HCF, if you don't have anything that is common to the two numbers, you use 1. That's why here we have just 2 raised to the power of 5. So the only odd factor on the left hand side is 1. That is, 25 has no other factors than 1. The only factor here is 1. So you can as well even write this one multiplied by 1. So that's why we put this on here. This to this, then this to this. So let's come here. Let's solve this one first. 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 5. The answer is obvious. Y is equals to 5. Then here, you can transfer this one to this side. 2 raised to the power of k equals to 1 plus 1. 2 raised to the power of k equals to 2. Your 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 1. So equal base now, k is equals to 1. So we have obtained our y, we have obtained our k. Now you still recall that earlier on, here, at the beginning, I want to show you here. At the beginning we said x is equals to y plus k. So you still remember that? Now our x is equals to, what's our y? 5. What's our k? plus 1, because they didn't ask us to calculate k, they only asked us to calculate x and y. So therefore, x is equals to 6, then y is equals to 5. That's our question. You can check whether it will give you 32. So here you have 2 raised to power of 6 minus 2 raised to power of 5, which is equals to 32. So what's 2 raised to power of 6? That's 64. What's 2 raised to power of 5? That's 32. So what's now our answer? 32. So here what do you now have? This is 32. 32 goes to 32. From our checking, we discovered that we got the answer. Please like and share. We even love to see your comments. Thank you and see you in another class. Bye for now.